The sirloin tip knuckle originates from the rear leg portion of the hindquarter. There are four main muscles: vastus intermedius, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, and the vastus medialis. Size ranges from 3 to 4.5 kilograms or 6.5 to 10 pounds. The sirloin tip knuckle is a fine-grained muscle that has a multitude of cooking applications: braising, simmering, grilling, pot roasting, rotisserie, and sautéing. Traditionally, the sirloin tip knuckle would have been prepared for the counter by tying 2 or 3 strings at the knuckle end. Notice the inconsistency and thickness of the first cut. We now would continue slicing a number of steaks. However, the sirloin tip knuckle consists of separate muscles with the grain running in opposite directions: the tip side muscle, the tip center muscle, and the tip bottom muscle. Traditionally, cutting the sirloin tip knuckle will produce an inconsistent product, as well as limiting our merchandising options. We will demonstrate another preparation option that will address consumer buying patterns and allow flexibility in merchandising your meat case. Begin by separating the tip side muscle from the tip center and bottom muscle. Ensure you follow the natural seam that separates the two muscles. Separating these muscles correctly will affect consistency once portioning into steaks and roasts occurs. Next, separate the tip center muscle from the bottom muscle. Remember to follow the natural seam. With the tip center or eye portion, remove any connective tissue or silver skin, as this connective tissue will not soften to any acceptable degree during cooking. Ensure grain direction. Leave whole, or depending on consumer requirements, split the muscle lengthwise. Using a netting system, create an oven, rotisserie style, or quick roast. You have the option to portion the muscle into steaks, and able to achieve desired thickness and consistent grain direction while maintaining consumer-friendly price points. Identify the grain direction of the sirloin tip side muscle and remove any connective tissue or silver skin. You now have options: portion across the grain into steaks, using a netting system, you can create a rotisserie roast for the barbecue or oven roast for dinner. You now have the ability to further merchandise and meet consumer needs. Sirloin tip knuckle medallions are perfect for the light occasional consumer, or a 500-gram or 1-pound quick roast intended to be cooked in less than 1 hour. With a thicker cut, there's less chance of overcooking, and it's easier to achieve a range of doneness from medium rare to well done. Sirloin tip knuckle strips, marinating cubes, and stewing beef can be merchandised from the remaining pieces. Processing the sirloin tip knuckle properly is key. Ensuring cutting techniques are following natural muscle profiles allows meat departments the opportunity to further merchandise the sirloin tip knuckle while ensuring a more consistent product is available to the consumer.